A frozen Mistplay progress bar usually means the app has stopped detecting your gameplay correctly. Not that your game progress has necessarily disappeared. Mistplay says the key check is whether its game time tracking is active while you play. Or p apps. Support.mistplay.com HC and US articles 13,639,938,103,963. By the end, you'll know how to restart Mistplay's tracking, what phone settings can interfere with the progress bar, and what to check before contacting support. First, completely close Mistplay and restart your device. Then reopen Mistplay and check whether game time recording is enabled. Mistplay specifically recommends turning the recording setting off and back on when tracking stops working. Support.mistplay.kt ease support.mist.com HC and US articles 13,639,938,138 sp3. Why am I not earning units or GXP when I am playing games? @unsourcechattab.com. Next, launch the affected game from inside Mistplay. Don't open it directly from your phone's home screen. Mistplay says launching games through the Mistplay app helps the system detect and record your gameplay. https support.mistplay.com HC and US articles 13,639,938,138,103,963. Why am I not earning units or GXP when I am playing games? @unsourcechattab.com. Once the game opens, look for the recording game time notification. Mistplay also says you should see a welcome back notification within 10 seconds after launching the game. If that notification never appears, Mistplay may not be tracking the session correctly. Mistplay.com support.mistplay.com HC in US articles 13,639,938,103,963. Why am I not earning units or GXP when I am playing games? Then check your phone's battery and data restrictions. Mistplay identifies power saver and data saver as settings that can interfere with tracking. Disable those restrictions for Mistplay and test the game again. https support.mistplay.com HC and US articles 13,639,938,103,963. Why am I not earning units or GXP when I am playing games? Samsung users should also check priority mode and game booster because Mistplay says these features can interfere with background tracking. If either feature is restricting Mistplay, change the setting and restart the game through Mistplay. @mistplay.com http einmiss.com HC and US articles 13 trillion 138,138,963. Why am I not earning you? There is also a 2-hour daily limit for earning GXP on an individual game. Mistplay says that after 2 hours on one game, you stop earning from that game until the next day, although you can switch to another game and continue earning. Mistplay.com https support.mistplay.com HC and US articles 13 trillion 639,830,832,400. If the progress bar is frozen but your GXP or checkpoint progress is still changing, the issue may only be the display. If both the progress bar and rewards stop updating, focus on game time tracking first. Finally, avoid deleting the app as your first troubleshooting step. If your account appears to have lost progress afterward, Mistplay says signing into a different account or using a different login method can make your progress look different. s.com https support.mistplay.com iOS articles 13,599,000,000 291 million. So check tracking. Launch the game through Mistplay, remove battery or data restrictions, and verify that you haven't reached the 2-hour game limit. If the bar remains frozen after those checks, contact Mistplay support with screenshots of the affected game and progress screen. Like and subscribe for more Mistplay troubleshooting fixes.